Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically save and like any post on Instagram. Saving a post means you go to the post and click right here. To save and like a post automatically, first we need to copy the link of this post. Then open the Instagram automation software. Choose the seeding feature. Select seeding by link. Paste the copied link right here. Seeding means performing actions such as like or comment. This helps boost engagement for the post. If you want to seed multiple posts, you can add one link per line. Set the quantity right here. Choose comment content if you want. After the setup is done, select the list of active accounts. Set the number of accounts to run simultaneously. Click Start. The software will then automatically like and save the post. Wait a little while for the software to complete the tasks through the API. Once it's done, go back to the account management section. Open multiple accounts, check the results, stay tuned, and watch along. If you need more information or want to register for the software, visit my website or contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. Details are pinned below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Chung Social Tools.